Hi there, this is Rajesh. On February 24th, Adobe released Photoshop Update. In today's video we will see how to install Adobe Photoshop CC 24.2.0 version. First, download the Adobe Photoshop CC 24.2.0 version ISO file. Link is in the description. And follow the steps to install without any errors. Select the downloaded Adobe Photoshop ISO file and right-click and open with Windows Explorer. Double-click on Autoplay and click on Yes, click on Install button and click on Continue, then Photoshop will begin the installation. Wait until Adobe Photoshop installation is completed. After installation is completed, click on Launch button. Photoshop will be open. If you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends, who really wants this beautiful software. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep interacting with Trendy Techlogical.